Hey guys, right now I'm making a little short video just to show you. If y'all guys want to, when I get about, say, 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a face reveal. If y'all guys want to, I don't have to do a face reveal. I got my family right here with me. Got my cousin Sanaya.
Hi.
And I got my cousin Jadon.
Hi.
And then, so, as you see, I got all my things here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna start upgrading. I'm gonna start adding new beats for my intro. Just give me a heads up, cause I'm gonna get some good people. You're gonna clean it out. You're gonna make everything look so much better. You know, I'm really happy that I even got 7 subscribers. You know, I'm trying to work, man. So
Excuse the noise in the back.
I know I haven't been uploading in a while, but yeah. So, but we're gonna do this. You hear a lot of stuff in the background. Please like and subscribe. Hope you like my videos.
And comment.
You know, I'm really happy that.
And comment. You gotta read the comments.
I'm really happy that I got a lot of all these views, man. I'm really happy. Thank you. I'm on the road to be a good YouTuber. So like, subscribe, comment in the comments below what do you think I should do. So far, I got 70 views.
Oh, and should we do a challenge?
7 subscribers. And I might add like a new. I might have I told you guys I might have another profile where I'm going to start doing more stuff. And or I'm probably going to keep this one, upgrade this one. But I am going to make a new channel, and it's going to be about for my family. So it's going to be like we're going to do stuff. But we're only going to do that if I get 100 subscribers and I do the face reveal. So when you do the face reveal, that new thing is going to come out. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. I love you guys. Peace.